Play Smooth Piano. This song is by Rico Love and it's called They Don't Know. And what we're going to do is go ahead and teach both hands together at the same time. My name is Eighth Harmonic, and we're going to jump right into this. If you guys haven't already checked out my site, check out playsmoothpiano.com and be sure to get on the newsletter, because from there you'll receive free emails to free videos, free tutorials, and you'll also stay up to date to what's going on the site. So be sure to check that out. So without any further ado, the right hand, what you're going to do, you're going to play this B flat and then a C really fast. So it's followed by E flat, then an F, and then play this chord here, arpeggio. That's an A flat, C, E flat, G. So putting that first part together, it's your left hand actually is going to play. You're going to play a C, A flat, G, then an F. So if you can't see that F, it's an F here, but an octave lower. So that's where we're at so far. Next thing you're going to do on the right, play up to this point. This time you're going to play a B flat, then the chord. So it's, if you can't see that B flat, it's a B flat here, but an octave higher. Left hand's going to do the same thing. Then do what you did earlier. This time around, when you get to here, instead of playing this chord, you're going to play this chord here, which is an inverted G minor. That's a B flat, D, and a G. Your left hand's going to play C, B flat, A flat, and then G. And we'll put both hands together. I'll put both hands together slow so that you guys can see when they hit. But that last part is play an F, then play this chord here. That's a B, D flat, E flat, A flat. Your left hand's just going to play a D flat. So putting all that together, played slow, it's repeat from the top.